Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. So I'm doing this introduction again because you guys will see that the tuning didn't go as planned. Something else has happened. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, let's just get into it. So I just connected the cloud access port to the computer. So yeah, let's just see if we can find out the map that PD Tuning sent and transfer over. Also, check if there's any updates on the cloud access port. That's one of the main things that we need to do. Okay, so next what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the map section, and this map right here we're gonna drag and drop to the hub, copy, yes, and there you go, right there. So now it's on the cloud access port, but now we're gonna try to connect the access port to the computer or to the car and try to download it on the car's ECU. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go back in the car, like I said, and start connecting the access port.
A few moments later.
Okay, as I was trying to turn this car on, the car is pretty much dead. See, the car is pretty much dead. I probably need a jump box for it. I know the battery is pretty fast, but I don't know, it's been sitting for 2-3 days. It never died on me like this before. Now I gotta wait for a little more for me to run to a store and get a jump box. It's either getting a jump box or it's either this jump sign this car. I'm just scared once I put the tune in the car, it's gonna die again. So yeah, I'd rather just put a jump box, leave it on the battery, and then just tune the car as well. I'm gonna head over to AutoZone or O'Reilly's and try getting a jumper box. If they do allow us to rent one, bro, I'll take that any day because I don't really want to buy one. I don't want to spend money. Today has been a crazy morning. They don't rent battery packs, so that's kind of disappointing. So honestly, fuck that. Just call O'Reilly's, and yeah, they don't rent it either. So now I just gotta go home, put it on cables, and try to jump start this car. I just connected the two car batteries together. All I'm gonna do is just tune it in right now and connect the access port, and yeah, and just load up the map already. Okay, just connected it. It's turning on. Sorry about the blur. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. Let me just put on the accessory mode. And I just brought the key. Let's turn on. Okay, I don't know why it's not starting anymore. I'm pressing it. Yeah, and there's literally nothing on it. I don't know what it is. So you guys hear that? I'm hearing that click click sound. I don't know what it is. The lights are on. I mean, I don't know what it is. Let's try one more time. See, it's like flashing. I don't know what that means. Hopefully my car's not effed up again, bro. I'll be so mad. Yeah, I'm suspecting it's the battery because it's like it's twitching. The some lights are on and the thing is clicking, so I think the clicking is the starter. I'm not sure. I did some research online and that's what people were saying. Today's day got even more worse. I am heading over to Costco to get a new battery, and I do trust Costco because they do have a lifetime warranty. So if my battery does get effed up in the future, I can just go back to them and hopefully they do it for free. I don't know what the Ecoboost is on, but like the Ecoboost always breaks down, especially at the best moments. And it's a little bumming, but like it's whatever. That's just race car problems. So I ended up buying one. But yeah, the shop did mention before that my battery was weak. I wasn't really surprised that the battery went out. I kind of expected it, but luckily I bought one today, so I don't really have to worry about it, you know. We're gonna remove this trash ass battery, to be honest. It's ruining everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never.
I'm not even lying, I found somebody's glasses in here. Like, what the hell is going on? Like, this is no cap, this shit was in there with the battery. What the hell is going on, bruh? Whose are these? I'm just so mind blown. Out of all the things, it's goddamn glasses. What the hell? What is going on? Today has been a weird day. Yeah, I found those glasses. It's so weird, huh?
Oh my gosh, who put it in there?
Are these yours?
No, my one, no.
You don't know how long this has been in there.
Gosh. Just start, maybe it's gonna work.
Well, you think it was the glasses that ruined the car?
I don't know, I think so, but I don't know.
You're saying someone had glasses
Glasses, dude.
in your battery?
Yeah, look.
Whose glasses were those? Mechanics?
Hmm? Battery is in, and this is the moment of truth where the car turns on. Pretty nervous. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, let's go! Okay, the car is taking a while to start up, but now that basically means that we gotta tune it, because I don't think there's enough gas that's going into the car, so the car's having trouble to stay on started. So yeah, so this is put on accessory mode, retune it after a whole day. We've been trying to do this since morning, but yeah, let's do it now. Okay, disconnected the cob. So yeah, this is try doing it again. 99, 100. But like, it sounds different than like how it was before, like a straight pipe.